Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. A shoe factory makes 4650 pair of shoes in the month of August. If they make the same quantity of pair of shoes every day, then how many pair of shoes can they make in a leap year? So first of all, number of days in the month of August we know is 31 days. Now it is given that pair of shoes made in this month, in the month of August, which is given as 4650. Now by using unitary method, we can find out the pair of shoes made in one day. So pair of shoes made in one day will be equal to 4650 divided by 31, which is equal to 150. So 150 pair of shoes are made in one day. Now we know that in general there are 365 days in a year, but the number of days in a leap year, because it is given in the question, the year is leap year. So leap year has one more day than the normal day years. So 365 plus 1 is 366 days. So a leap year has 366 days. Now we have to find the pair of shoes made in this leap year. So made in a leap year, or you can say in 366 days. We will use again unitary method, which is equal to 150 multiplied by 366, and this is equal to 54900. So 54,900 pair of shoes will be made in a leap year. So this is our answer.